So let's start the topic. Today's debate topic is about which is better, business or service. So you guys are saying that business is better, okay, and you people are saying that service is better. Okay? So one by one, you have to give your points. Um, we'll start with business. Those who are saying business is better, you have to listen carefully. Whatever they say, you have to listen carefully and ask questions according to that. Okay, if you have. So let's start. And you people are saying business is better. Yes, how?
So no to start from me. Please don't start from me.
Yes, business is better.
For me, business is better because the entrepreneur in his own boss, whereas during you whereas you are whereas during the job the person has to work under some person or a boss. So the person who is doing business of his own is responsible for making his own decisions and as free to be implement. The next difference between job and business is related to profit or profit. There is no limit on how much and how fast you earn as a business owner, whereas in a job you will have to wait for a certain time for your next hike. No matter how good you are and how good you are in doing your job, for me business is better.
She gave very good points. One point is that we are the boss in business. One thing. And second thing, sky is the limit if you want to earn money. Yes.
You have to suffer all the loss.
Sir,
This is a
Yes, there is a question. Ask.
Sir, we are the main owner, so we only have to suffer whole loss and whole downfall. So this is also a disadvantage.
Disadvantage.
So don't you think that the risk involved in business is much more greater than that of job?
Okay.
The whole
fine.
the whole business came upon a boss.
One by one.
Sir, in the business is stress.
There is stress.
The owner is in stress.
Hmm.
How to earn money, how to do this.
Okay. So Dipesh wants to answer it.
Sir, I want to answer this question that what you said it?
The
Please
risk
repeat.
involved is business.
Risk
No,
involved.
job. You talk about the job, na?
Yes.
So sir, after the COVID, there is no service class who's lost the job.
Hmm.
I think the government services also lost the jobs.
Absolutely, I'm saying that whole loss would be suffered by the
And many businessmen
businessman.
also suffer a loss in times of pandemic.
No, but you are talking about that whole the loss would be suffered by the businessman, right? But if you lost your job, huh, you have to give another series of interviews.
Service is a job security.
No,
No.
after the COVID, there is no security.
But
In which job you got security other than IAS or the
Yes, she is giving an example.
As a teacher, as a professional, I am a teacher. I didn't get any single salary last 6 months during COVID period. That's why I didn't favor of a service.
Means service people had to suffer a lot.
Suffer a lot.
है ना?
In my opinion, business is good because in business, if we are having to suffer loss, then see profit too. If we want to suffer loss, then the man who is doing the business are also be the man who can earn money. So if we are suffering loss, then we can also suffer profit. And the industry, if a businessman is
It's a good
building
point. Sometimes we have to suffer a loss, but we can manage to recover it. है ना?
in industry, if a businessman is building an industry, then the listen what industry first in dust you are going to be in all industry in dust, and then you are being more and more efforts, and you are giving more efforts, then the seed you brought, there can be a big tree, then
Give a
industry.
good example. Industry. Very good.
And think some bigger.
I never thought of that.
Think some bigger. If you are a businessman and you are the owner of the company of any type,
Let's have opinion of others also. Yes, Riddhi.
So business are both uh, prof, profit and loss. But if the business is runs well, so the changes of profit are high. So
Yes.
business is good
Hmm.
than
In case of business,
service.
yes, and means there is scope of profit. Yes.
Where there is a profit and loss, there is a risk.
Risk also. Yes.
So
One has to take the risk, right? Hmm.
we have to able to in business. We have a plan for successful plan.
Hmm.
That time we have to do.
Means it
We can
depends on
do
us.
we can do business.
Hmm.
Otherwise no.
Hmm.
Otherwise
So
we
is business for brave people or
Yes, sir.
those who want to take risk
Who want to take risk?
and those who want to play safe game?
But in service also, sir, at some point of stage of life,
Hmm.
people get frustrated doing the job continuously.
Hmm.
They get frustrated and they are not happy with their low salary or sufficient salary they have. So they have to plan for their families and they have to think what will our next meal at least. So we have to, at least in business, we can save and we can get profit, so we can happily
Live
live
life.
our
happily,
life.
yes. Now let us have some points from service. है ना? Yes, those who didn't say anything about service. Yes.
It is not necessary that a business will always gain profits or especially small businesses because in service you will get your salary on the first day of a month. You can plan your whole month, how much you are going to save, how much you are going to spend. But in business there is no fixed salary. You can even if you earn today 10,000 supposingly, you will think that tomorrow I will earn double. You will spend a lot. Because in service people earn limited amount of money, so they know the value of money. They don't spend uselessly everywhere. But in business people spend a lot of money on useless things thinking that they will earn more, they will gain profit more. But if you by having that thinking, you earn the money that you gain today. After 2 days, what are you going to do if you don't get a good response from your business? Because there is a lot of competition nowadays. In this competitive world, how can you be so sure that you will gain only profit? Some of the days it is possible that you are on your shop whole day but not even a single customer came because even the grocers, the small grocers are suffering because in Neemuch we have a lot of big marketplaces like Home Fresh ho gaya, Goel Market ho gaya. So people like to buy things where they are convenient because they can
But
choose
they are also
what they are
businessmen, na?
buying.
Goel, and they are also businessmen.
They are also businessmen, but because of those businessmen, the
You
small
mean to say
businessmen
competition is there, no?
competition is there.
Online also, due to
But the
online
same thing
also.
happens is also service now.
Yes.
The person only get a 10,000 per month, 15,000, 20,000. After that, they have to think about it, how to
Right.
spend this money.
So
Let's
I think business provides a overall growth for a personality rather than service. In business, you have to manage the losses, profit, expenses. But in service, you are just doing a part of a company. And in business, you have to manage everything like marketing, expenses, promotion. So I think business is better for personality development.
It's a good point. Means in service, means you are confined to one thing only. आपको एक ही चीज बार बार करनी पड़ती है ना. In business, you are the boss. You can do anything. ठीक है?
But sir, with responsibilities it comes time. You will not have enough time to give your family. Then why are you even earning? If you don't have time to give your family, then why are you even earning?
Again, it depends
Because
upon
in
the
business-
how he manages.
How he manages, because in business you will have to work a lot. It is not just 8 to 10 hours a day. Even if you come home, you are free and you think that finally I have some time to spend with my family.
Again,
Then
it depends
again
upon
you
like
get
Mukesh
emergency
Ambani,
call.
you know, Mukesh Ambani. Okay,
but in
he is having so much business.
But in service also, na,
Ah.
sir, they have to work 24 into 7
But sir-
and
One
they
by
get
one.
a time for their family.
Family.
Even on Sunday, they also have the working hours. Na?
Sir, if you went to
Yes, one by one, please. Yes,
If
just
you-
a minute. I am coming to you.
sir, if they want to spend their holidays, they have to ask their boss
Boss.
for the leave for
For
the
leave.
leave. But for the businessmen, they have their own boss, so they can get anywhere.
Give 1 point.
If one is a boss, don't you think there is more investment and huge investment is business? And in job you will find that more holidays and vacations are given to the jobs.
It's a government job, not in the private job.
Private job also it is, you are a free bird after your working hours.
20 holidays in a year other than the
In a private job, in a private
other
job,
than the national holidays, you have 20 holidays.
in a service, either private or government, you are a free bird after the working hours. But is business.
That's not a true right now. Nowadays, that's not a true.
You can't say anything that
Okay, one by one.
Sir, everyone is saying about the business, but what if your business doesn't run, and what if you doesn't gain any profit? Because to run any business, we need money to run, and we need double money. And what if you have invested a lot of money, but what if you do not, your business doesn't even run proper? You would be in loss, and what you will lose. He has a second plan, sir. So for it, he also needs money. So from
Yes,
where does he need
businessmen are able
money?
to create jobs.
Businessmen are
Just,
able to
just.
create
हाँ.
The loss and
To
profit
create-
is a part of it.
Every time they have to take a second plan.
But if we invest in business, so business can run. When we take loan, so we don't able to sir, we don't
Pay.
able to take loan, and when we face many problems in business, but in service we are satisfied. My salary will come in first date.
So I am satisfied with that. But you always wait for the first. आपको 1 तारीख का इंतजार रहता है हमेशा.
Sir, service is
I
the
am
base
coming
of
to everybody.
Sir, service is the base of businessman.
Hmm.
The serviceman can run the business because the all things depend on the business serviceman, that businessman can, like CA, secretaries. They are service person. They run the business.
So he's saying that means servicemen give services. That's why they are able to do business. Yes, which is better. Little champ. Our little
Service
champ.
is better.
Just a minute, our little champ.
Service is better, but money is a proper way you have coming, but business is no proper money, loss and profit.
So in business, one has to bear loss also. है ना? Your father is a businessman or serviceman? Businessman. But you are in favor of service. Is your father able to give sufficient time to your family or not?
Yes.
He is able to give.
Sunday.
Only. Yes, one more little champ. Ansh, which is better, business or service? In my opinion,
I like better business.
business is better.
Yes.
नहीं उस समय जगह नहीं थी ना, जगह खाली नहीं थी उस समय. हाँ. Yes, yes. Yes. Business is better because
Business is better because it is a very
it's a very good thing.
yes
है ना? We can do what we want in business. है ना?
yes sir.
ठीक है ना? One line service. Service is better. Your father is a serviceman. Okay. What about you? You are brothers. Okay. So it is needless to ask. Yes, Shivam wants to speak something. Yes. Listen, please.
Listen. Some people said that there are more risks in business. So I know.
Be silent, please.
I believe that, but business, on hearing this name, mind gets disturbed, and our thinking and our ability to think anything gets end. So that's a true. And if you are thinking so about business, so you are not so business is not for you, and you are not made for business, because business can be handled by those people whose mind are very creative and who know that what is going around us. So you know what is business? Business is an art to selling things. If we have know this art, then we definitely not able to handle business. Suppose I want to give you an example. Suppose you are in class 11th and you have selected mathematics, and after taking this subject you are saying that this subject is very hard, then you are stupid and nothing. So because if you have selected mathematics, then we should have knowledge of this subject. And if you have no knowledge of this subject, then what is the use of taking this subject? And who is perfect businessman? I want to give you an example. Suppose I have one thing, and the price of this thing is only 1,000 rupees, and I give this thing, and I said that you have to sell this thing, and you sell this thing, it purchase more than its purchase price, then you are perfect businessman, because this is a symbol of perfect businessman. So that's it.
Just a minute. हाँ, business कैसे अच्छा है?
सर बिजनेस वाले
Be silent, इतना कुछ मत हो, वापस इंग्लिश कर दूंगा अभी मैं. हाँ.
सर बिजनेस में मतलब जहाँ वो बिजनेसमैन उसको बिजनेस को छोड़ता है, उसका बेटा वहीं से शुरू करता है. और उस नौकरी में क्या है सर, सर्विस में जैसे उसका बेटा जो है उसको शुरू से स्टार्ट करना पड़ता है.
गुड पॉइंट.
सर सर्विस में उसके बेटे को मतलब शुरू से स्टार्ट करना पड़ता है.
उसके बेटे पे डिपेंड करता है, वो चाहे तो पढ़ लिख के सर्विस भी कर सकता है.
No, he means to say that he has a well-established business. He means to say that, like धीरूभाई अंबानी, उसको well-established business मिला, है ना? मुकेश अंबानी got well-established business. उसने उसको आगे और बढ़ाया, that is another matter, but at least he got a platform. ठीक है ना? Established business. हाँ, है ना? और सर्विस में कितनी बड़ी सर्विस क्यों ना हो, है ना? तो उसमें ऐसा नहीं है ना?
सर अपने मतलब मेरी मतलब सर्विस नहीं पड़ी, बट मैं जैसे आपको उन्होंने कहा कि बिजनेस में अपना बेटा जा सकता है.
हाँ.
मैं सर्विस में हूँ, मैं भी तो अपने बेटे को शुरू से मैथ साइंस पढ़ा के या फिर अच्छे से उसको ट्रेन करा के एग्जाम्स के बारे में बता के उसको वहाँ तक पहुँचा सकता हूँ.
Good point. He has also given a good point. That suppose a person has a good service. Okay. So what he can do, he can teach his child, he can train his child according to that. मतलब उसको जानकारी देगा, उसके लिए भी easy हो जाएगा ना, मतलब एक तरह से. Yes, you are also right. ठीक है. Any other point?
Necessary na sir that the daughter or son of a teacher become a teacher. They also get a lot of education to them. They also treat the same things. But it is not compulsory or it is not necessary. It will also become a teacher.
This always applies to business also. If he is not able to handle his father's business,
So they can appoint any other person, na?
then
can
that's for
appoint
the
a manager.
management. Then the serviceman son can also be choose to other
Yes,
other
sir.
jobs.
Just a minute. Ravi wants to say
If
something.
his son is
हाँ.
already
भैया ने बोला कि जैसे
Listen, there is a point. हाँ.
भैया ने बोला जैसे कोरोना में कईयों की नौकरी चली गई,
हाँ.
तो बिजनेसमैन भी थे, जैसे कईयों की मिठाई बिजनेसमैन भी थे जिनकी कईयों की जैसे मिठाई की दुकान थी या थी, जितना भी सामान था उनका वेस्ट हो गया. तो कई तो दिवालिया हो गए, कईयों ने दुकान बंद कर दी, तो लॉस तो उन्हें भी हुआ है जो.
So in Corona, everybody was affected. हाँ. Yes, Priyansh wants to. हाँ.
सर भैया सेड दैट जो जैसे बिजनेसमैन है, अगर उसका बेटा उसके आगे ले जाएगा, पर ऐसा थोड़ी है कि जैसा मुकेश अंबानी है, अब ऐसा थोड़ी है कि उसका बेटा मुकेश अंबानी से भी ऊपर बन सकता है, वो उससे नीचे भी आ सकता है.
Right. So it depends on him, पर एटलीस्ट उसको वो स्टेज तो मिल गई. उसके पास मान लो 1 करोड़ का बिजनेस है, तो 1 करोड़ का तो मिल गया. नाउ इट डिपेंड्स. हाँ. यस सुरेंद्र भाई.
I also consider there are a lot of competition, there are a lot of risk, but I also consider without risk we can't success in our life. If we take to prepare for government jobs, for civil jobs, for private jobs, so if we prepare for business, so there are many chances to grow in a positive, if we say.
Sir, in the business we have much money that we can do business, like we open the offices, industries, machines.
Good point. We need investment.
Much money.
We need investment. इसका जवाब कौन देगा? इन्होंने बोला there is need of big investment in business. ठीक है? हाँ. इनके पास ही जाओ. हाँ.
So, but if our idea is self-sufficient, we can get investors from market.
Yes.
It's very easy. Just you have to manage the business.
हाँ. और कोई point?
Many businessmen are live in society, their house, but they forgot that their house will be protected by a serviceman who is a policeman. And if we compare a army man to a just businessman, you will find that army man is more respected than him. His job is more respected than him.
Again,
Sir, there is a word sarkari which is very most.
So talking of service
but
versus
jobs
business,
are
it is not the topic of
means
service versus
government
business.
also, private also.